This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Senait Andemicael. New construction, come make your interior selections before it's too late. This beautiful Chester floor plan by Anglia Homes is a true showstopper. It features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, study and game room, which is always a crowd pleaser. With an open concept, it makes a seamless flow from the kitchen, breakfast area and family room. Don't wait too long to come out and make this home yours. Call me today for more information. For more information, review the details below.